blast from the past. March, sing it high, sing it low. Let's learn the ABCs as we go. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Learning letters is so sweet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, leaping all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for house where we sleep. Learn, sing it high, sing it low. Let's learn the ABCs as we go. Spin around, give a twirl. Letters are fun for every boy and girl. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jellyfish, so wiggly and bold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion with a roar so high. R. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, for birdies and bees. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for panda, munching bamboo with glee. Sing it high, sing it low. Let's learn the ABCs as we go. Jump up high, then touch the ground. Letters are the coolest sound. Q is for queen with her shiny crown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for star, sparkling so bright. T is for train, choo-choo all night. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin with sweet refrains. W is for whale splashing in the sea. X is for dike, music for you and me. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've sung the ABCs. Give a cheer, 1, 2, 3. Final high, sing it low. We've learned the ABCs, now let's go. Clap, spin, and dance with glee. The alphabet's as fun as can be.